Open your folders to space. Page 11, space. Wilson, open the folder. Come on, Wilson, get your pencil ready. Get your sharpener ready, Wilson. Wilson, you're off task. Come on, Wilson. Come on, sharpen your pencil, Wilson. You ready? Circle your definition in the upper left-hand corner. Circle the definition for space. And remember, everything that's circled will be on the test. Then make sure that you come back and put your own definition for space after we've done all of our drawings and you have a better idea of what space means to you.
Super focus on your page. Ready? 1, 2, 3, shoo! We're going to read out loud together. Space. Go. Space, an element of art that indicates area in a drawing, positive and negative, and or the feeling of depth in a two-dimensional work of art. Very good. Turn your paper to the side and write this sentence. Vertical placement must be used with overlapping and diminishing sizes. But vertical placement can create space all by itself. Vertical placement must be used with overlapping and diminishing sizes. But vertical placement can create space all by itself. Vertical placement must be used with overlapping and diminishing sizes, but vertical placement can create space all by itself. Sit back and relax and watch the examples of space. Space is created here with overlapping one apple in front of another apple. Vertical placement is also used.
This composition has overlapping, one pop can in front of the other. Vertical placement, because the pop can that's lower in the composition is closer to you. And diminishing sizes. The small pop can at the top is really far away. The pink can at the bottom is really, really small. Really, really small. And really far away. This drawing creates
space with vertical placement. The skull that's lower in the composition is closer to you. The skull that's higher in the composition is further away, but they're all the same size. This drawing uses vertical placement and diminishing sizes, but no overlapping. The people in this composition create space with vertical placement all by itself.
Vertical placement and diminishing sizes create space here. The guy whose eyes are really big and close, creepy, really close to you.
Snowmen create space here with vertical placement and diminishing sizes, as well as the trees.
The dog in this composition is really far away. He's on the other side of the table. Overlapping, diminishing sizes, and vertical placement are used here. Overlapping, diminishing sizes, and vertical placement are also used here. The yellow pyramid in the back, really far away. The pink one, really, really close. An ant must live in the pink one, because it's really, really small.
The wrong way to create space.
The apples do not create space because the top apple is see-through. The pyramid in front appears to be floating because the bottom of the pyramid is higher than the big pyramid. It looks like it's floating. This pig is going to figure out any second now that he can't fly. What's wrong? The objects must be on or below the horizon line. Any second now, this pig's going to fall and become bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon!
Creating space with overlapping.
In the upper left-hand corner, you're going to create space with overlapping. First, draw your horizon line. The horizon line divides the ground and the sky.
Use light lines and your eraser to create overlapping.
Now it's your turn. Create space with overlapping.
All right, y'all. Put your hands on your desk. Get your heads up high. We're about to break down the Essential 55. Come on. Come on. Let's go. You gotta have brains. Wisdom, what you need. All these things. Will make you what you be. More than that. The Essential 55 will ensure that you're living life right. Brains. Wisdom, what you need. All these things. Will make you what you be. More than that. The Essential 55 will ensure that you're living life right. It's for adults with respect. Say sir and ma'am. Look others in the eye every time you can. Give props to your friends for a job well done. Respect the comments of everyone. If you win, don't brag, don't get a big head. If you lose, don't get mad, work hard instead. When you're asked a question, ask another one back. Cover your mouth when you sneeze, burp, cough, and hack. No disrespect, try to be polite. Always say thank you, cause you know it's right. When you're giving any gift, never criticize. Sure, random acts of kindness, give them a surprise. You gotta have brains, books, wisdom, what you need. All these things will make you what you be. More than that, the Essential 55 will ensure that you're living life right. Brains, books, wisdom, what you need. All these things will make you what you be. More than that, the Essential 55 will ensure that you're living life right. When grading others' papers, make sure the score is right. When a book is read in class, know the stopping sight. All questions should be answered in sentences complete. Never ask for a reward or any kind of treat. Be organized, do your homework all the time, and when it is assigned, don't moan, don't whine. Change classes with ease. Force of the rules stand. Protocol is important. Always raise your hand. If you do get thirsty, bottle water's okay. Call the teachers by the names and greet them every day. Keep the bathroom clean. Let's stop disease. Be friendly to guests. Make them feel at ease. When eating in the lunchroom, never save a chair. If a student's in trouble, don't stop and stare. You can phone my home for help in school. ABCs of etiquette. Follow all the rules. You gotta have brains. Wisdom, what you need. All these things will make you what you be. More than that, the Essential 55 will ensure that you're living life right. Brains, books, wisdom, what you need. All these things will make you what you be. More than that, the Essential 55 55 will ensure that you're living life right. After eating out anywhere, clean your own mess. Should you tip hotel workers? Yes. On a bus space front, always thank the driver. Meet someone new, repeat the name and vibe. And when offer good food, only take your share. If someone drops something, pick it up cause you care. Hold the door for people till they walk on through. Say excuse me, even if they bumped you. On a field trip, shh, quiet like mice. Compliment places, say something nice. And assemblies, don't shout to the friends you know. When answering the phone, politely say hello. When returning from a trip, shake the chaperone's hands. On an escalator on the right side, you stand, walking single file, arms at your sides. Wait your turn, never cut in line. No talking in a theater, movie, or a show. Never bring Doritos, we'll smell them, we'll know. Tell the teacher quickly if someone bullies you. Stand up for your beliefs in everything you do. Be positive, focus on the best. Live your life so that you will never have regrets. When you make mistakes, learn and then move on. Be honest when you've done something wrong. Carpe diem, you live once, be free. Every single moment be the best you can be. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. You gotta have brains, books, wisdom, what you need, all these things, will make you what you be, more than that, the essential 55 will ensure that you're living life right. Brains, books, wisdom, what you need, all these things, will make you what you be, more than that, the essential 55 will ensure that you're living life right. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
Creating space with diminishing sizes and vertical placement. In the upper right-hand corner of your page is a space for diminishing sizes. First, watch examples of diminishing sizes, then create your own. Always begin with your horizon line on this. Then you can use anything you'd like to create vertical placement with diminishing sizes. The lower in the composition, the bigger it is. The higher in the composition, the smaller it is. This is using vertical placement with diminishing sizes.
Thing as the collar. Pay attention now, listen up and follow. The shoulder blades, the scapula, the breastbones, the sternum. Scientific names, practice them and learn them. Your heart and other organs hide in this place. Remain safe inside your rib cage. Your funny bone's not, though it may sound so. Its name is humerus, right at your elbow. The radius and ulna are part of the arm too.
You may draw your own now. You can choose one of my ideas or make up your own. Remember, the lower it is, the closer it is. If you'd like to watch more examples, you're welcome to.
Just take 'em. Put your hands on your hips and shake 'em. Learn all your bones and know 'em. Drink all of your milk and grow 'em. Walk tall and be proud and show 'em. But don't break 'em, just take 'em. Put your hands on your hips and shake 'em. The metacarpals are the bones on the top of your hand. The phalanges are your fingers, and the reason you stand is the vertebrae. It's got your back. Hey, the vertebrae, it's got your back. The pelvis is the hip bone, the one you rest and sit on, and hope to not sit long. The femur is the real name for the thigh. If we didn't have this, we'd be 4 feet high. Every time you kneel or bend and get down on your knee, you're using the patella, B-O-N-E. The shin bone is the tibia, beside it is the fibula. This is the skeletal curricula. On the foot, the tarsals help your ankle bend and flex. The metatarsals are next. They help when you walk and use them as you go, together with phalanges, also known as a toe. We came to let you know about bones from your head to toe. So come on and feel the flow, but don't break 'em, just take 'em. Put your hands on your hips and shake 'em. Learn all your bones and know 'em. Drink all of your milk and grow 'em. Walk tall and be proud and show 'em, but don't break 'em, just take 'em. Put your hands on your hips and shake 'em. We came to let you know about bones from your head to toe. So come on and feel the flow, but don't break 'em, just take 'em. Put your hands on your hips and shake 'em. Learn all your bones and know 'em. Drink all of your milk and grow 'em. Walk tall and be proud and show 'em, but don't break 'em, just take 'em. Put your hands on your hips and shake 'em. Alright, y'all. Are you ready for this? Now when I say body, you say bones. Body, 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 body. Oh, come on. Y'all can do better than that. But you know what? I'm going to give you one more chance, because right now I'm going to ask you a question about how many bones are in the body. It's gonna go like this. How many bones are in the mix? 206, 206. How many bones are in the mix? 206, 206. All right, now you try. How many bones are in the mix? How many bones are in the mix? Oh, all right. I think you got the hang of it. All right, all of you, I want you to listen up because I want you to remember to study hard, listen to your teachers, and dream big. And remember to always keep your heads high. I'm out.
Creating space with vertical placement. First, watch the example and then you can draw your own. Start with the horizon line, then draw 3 objects, or 3 people, or 3 animals. Draw 3 things, the exact same size, or as close as you can get them. Vertical placement must be used with this technique. The low one is closer, the high one is further away. But they're all the same size. Okay, draw your own. If you're not quite ready to draw your own, you can watch my examples some more.
Listen up, this is coming from the senior class. We want to make sure each and every one of you pass. And Mr. Clark's class himself does get good grades. And now we're going to give you some helpful aids. So here is a way to end all concern. This is the way we're going to help you learn. Let's play with the planets, put them in position. We're in pursuit of some solar system wisdom. So sit back and listen to the rhythm. We're on a mission until you get them. Playing with the planets, put them in position. We're in pursuit of some solar system wisdom. So sit back and listen to the rhythm. We're on a mission until you get them.
Now what's the closest planet to the sun? It's covered with craters. I heard Mercury's the one. It's a small barren planet where hot lava flows. Too far to go, but you gotta know there's no atmosphere. And the temperature's strange. The planet has a 600-degree range. The reason that happens is because of its tilt. And the sun never shines where the shadows stand still. Venus is the brightest planet in the sky. You can even see it with the naked eye. Pick a night and try. It's the hottest planet by far. And it has 2 names, the morning and the evening star. It's the same size as Earth, but covered in clouds, y'all. Of carbon dioxide and sulfur compounds, y'all. Volcanoes and craters make up 90% of it. In case of a pop quiz, you better remember it.
Let's play with the planets, put them in position. We're in pursuit of some solar system wisdom. So sit back and listen to the rhythm. We're on a mission until you get them. Playing with the planets, put them in position. We're in pursuit of some solar system wisdom. So sit back and listen to the rhythm. We're on a mission until you get them.
Now our home Earth is planet number 3. 70% of it is covered by its seas. Of all the planets, Mother Earth's the only place where you and I can exist as a living human race. Fourth from the sun, the planet Mars looms. Deimos and Phobos are its only moons. Mars has sand dunes and storms of dust. Sometimes they cover the whole planet for months. It has the solar system's largest canyon, ice caps and volcanoes, but no eruptions. And Jupiter is 5th from the sun with lots of gases, nitrogen, hydrogen, and helium. The largest planet, man, it's really immense. Its powerful winds and storms are so intense. Gravity pulls planetary matter to its core, and it has 60 moons or more.
Let's play with the planets, put them in position. We're in pursuit of some solar system wisdom. So sit back and listen to the rhythm. We're on a mission until you get them. Playing with the planets, put them in position. We're in pursuit of some solar system wisdom. So sit back and listen to the rhythm. We're on a mission until you get them.
Now next comes Saturn. It's known for its rings. These are composed of several things. Thousands of particles made of ice are held by its moons. Isn't that nice? Saturn has winds, lightning and dark and light colored cloud bands. The second biggest planet, it sounds like a joke, but Saturn's so light it could actually float. Uranus is planet number 7 as it moves throughout the heavens. Get this lesson, sitting on an axis at an angle extreme, it rests on its side, another planet that leans. Its slow orbit is the reason it takes 20 years for each season. And be believing there's no breathing. The methane gases give it a shade of blue, just like Neptune. Number 8 for you, with how many moons? 11 or so, and a multitude of rings. The number's unknown. Nitrogen, helium, and methane you'll find. Now let's wrap it up with planet number 9. Pluto is the one that's oh so small that some don't think it's a planet at all. It's so far away from the sun, I'm told, that it's unbelievably cold. Now that we've given you these 9, don't forget them. The cosmic rhyme about the solar system wisdom.
Let's play with the planets, put them in position. We're in pursuit of some solar system wisdom. So sit back and listen to the rhythm. We're on a mission until you get them. Play with the planets, put them in position. We're in pursuit of some solar system wisdom. So sit back and listen to the rhythm. We're on a mission until you get them.
Creating space with linear perspective. In the lower right-hand corner of your space page, you're going to make space with linear perspective. Start with putting a dot right in the center of that space. That dot is your vanishing point. Above your vanishing point, draw a square. Now it needs to be a square, not a diamond. A diamond won't work. Directly below the vanishing point, draw another square. Draw another square directly to the left of the vanishing point. Directly to the left. Make sure it's a square, not a diamond. Then directly to the right of the vanishing point. Draw another square, not a diamond. You should have 4 boxes, one above, one below, one to the left, and one to the right. How many sides of these boxes do you think you're going to see? I don't know. The answer is 2. In each box, write the number 2. This helps me understand that you know the concept, and it reminds you that you're going to see 2 sides. Now you're going to draw a line from the 2 closest sides of the box to the vanishing point. Make these lines as straight as you can without using a ruler. Remember, it's the 2 points closest to the vanishing point. You have 4 boxes made. Now we're going to make 4 more boxes. These 4 boxes will be diagonal from the 4 that we just made. Make sure that these are squares, not diamonds. No diamonds. Draw a square in the upper right-hand corner. You can look at the edge of your frame to see if you have a vertical line. Make sure you only have vertical and horizontal lines. a square to the left, in the left corner, a square in the lower left corner, and a square in the lower right corner. Now hold up your fingers if you can guess, or if you know, how many sides of these 4 boxes we are going to see. How many? Da 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 dun 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 dun. Answer is 3. You are going to see 3 sides of each one of these boxes. Now you're going to draw as straight a lines as you can from the 3 closest corners of each of these boxes in the corners, the 3 closest corners to the vanishing point. You're going to draw as straight of a line as you can. I will replay this portion of the video 2 more times if you need to watch it again. If you've got it down, then I want you to make more boxes. Use some scratch paper. I want you to perfect your technique.
Four, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 14. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 14.
Worked 8 hours a day, scooping ice cream and getting paid. He ate ice cream all day. On the first day, he had worked 8 hours. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 8 is 8. By the second day, he had worked 16 hours. Pistachio. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 8 is 16. By the third day, he had worked 24 hours. This was really good. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 8 is 24. 8 hours a day. He worked 8 hours a day. Scooping ice cream and getting paid. He ate ice cream all day. By the 4th day, he had worked 32 hours. Cookies and cream. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. By the 5th day, he had worked 40 hours. Pink bubble gum. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 8 is 40. By the 6th day, he had worked 48 hours. Rainbow sherbet. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 8 is 48. 8 hours a day. He worked 8 hours a day. Scooping ice cream and getting paid. He ate ice cream all day. He counted 8, 16, and 24 hours that he's worked at the ice cream store. 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, and 72.
When I get to 80, they say they're gonna pay me. I hope they do it soon, I think I'm gonna explode.
By the 7th day, he had worked 56 hours.
Butter pecan.
7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 8 is 56. By the 8th day, he had worked 64 hours.
Double chocolate chip.
8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 8 is 64. By the 9th day, he'd worked 72 hours.
Banana split.
9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 8 is 72. On the 10th day, his boss was missing lots of ice cream.
So he came looking for me. He saw my big belly. Everyone could tell it was me. I'm no longer his employee.